Hi folks, today I'm making some of the world's most simple little pots. Just little candle holders. Just the simplest tiny little pot like that with a few little dimples on the edge. But I'll just show you how quickly they can be made, and it's just something if you're a complete novice that you could make, and it'd be something to give us presents, I would imagine. Tiny little bit of clay. Literally these take seconds to make. So if you're just starting off, it's something dead simple to centre, and then I'm only using my little finger just to pull it out, and then same finger, just to roll the rim over like that. But it couldn't be easier. And then to make the little dimples, I'm just going to push down. I'm going to get 5 in. So that's that. Like I said, couldn't be easier. Dead simple little tiny pot. But like I say, sort of thing anybody could make. So if you really are just starting off, these are the sort of little things you want to just keep practicing with. Just tiny little things. You can almost do it in one movement like that. Couldn't be easier. So you're probably going to get extremely bored of this, because that's all I'm doing today. I make about 50 of these today, which is probably only about an hour's work, so it shows you how easy they are to do. That small, these you can probably just leave them a couple of hours and they'll be dry enough to finally trim, which won't take a lot. So it'll be interesting to see how quickly you actually make these. So I'll make 10, see how long it takes. Makes a change from making big things where you have to concentrate. With this, it's just nothing to worry about. I bet not many people have watched it for this long. Because it's not the most exciting video, but Obviously on the same sort of design as this, you can make them a little bit bigger, but these are just for the little tea lights. They're just basically things to fill the kiln up, fill all the little gaps up in the kiln, and what they sell for basically pays for the kiln firing. So although they're not particularly technical in the slightest, do sell, so might as well make them. That's 8. How long have we been going for? 6 minutes something. That's 9, so I'll do one more. So there we go, that's 10 of those made in about 8-10 minutes. Dead simple, but if you're first starting off in pottery, you need to be making things like this, just practicing little tiny things until you get the feel of it. It's all about muscle memory and things, so just start off with something dead simple.